the Tool Pros Podcast.
What's up, guys and gals? I don't want to exclude you gals out here who do watch our stuff and our content. We appreciate you guys too. But I wanted to showcase some pipe wrenches here. Specifically the new Milwaukee 10L. I've had this thing since January and it has been a fantastic pipe wrench. It's made for smaller jobs as the jaws don't get very big. They only go up to 1.5 inches. So don't expect to pick up this bad boy and try to get on some 2-inch pipe and do work with it. It's not going to happen. But what is really cool is you have the 18-inch length, so you have much more leverage on those smaller pipes. It's a really nice pipe wrench. It does get confused for a larger jaw pipe wrench because everybody's used to the longer ones having a larger jaw. Well, this has a longer arm, or I guess a longer handle with a smaller jaw, which is kind of unique and very different, but I really have grown to love it a lot. Guys, we'll do a little weight comparison here. We'll put it on the fill piece scale, wireless scale here. It's an aluminum, so we got 1 pound 9 ounces, 9.5 ounces. So let's see what our 14-inch rigid aluminum is going to be. 2 pounds 3 ounces. So yeah, this one's a lot smaller, and the jaw size on this is exactly the same as here. And then here's our big boy, just for comparison. That's our 2-foot rigid. We're at 5 pounds 11 ounces. So guys, obviously this is the king of the castle. This is what you pull out when you got to get the big boys off. But this 10L is pretty sweet. It's been a fantastic little pipe wrench for us. We've enjoyed it using it so far. We're going to give it some more testing. Going to use it out a lot more. But guys, go check it out. It's the Milwaukee 10L pipe wrench.